So far we have seen, what is HTML and how it will be, okay, and we have designed the basic of HTML, okay, by using these terms in Notepad, and we have saved as .html, and we have designed this page, right? So you can also go through. Already we have explained how to do this. Okay, now we'll see how to inspect this. Okay, how to inspect this web element and see the web element. Suppose this is one web page, or suppose this is a Facebook web page. Okay, suppose this is a Facebook web page. I want to pass some value here in mobile number field. How to do that? So go to that Facebook. So as of now I'm using Chrome, so we'll see everything on Chrome as of now. Okay, you can use Firefox, you can use IE, okay, whatever browser you want you can use. As of now I'll just explain everything in the Chrome, okay, so that at least one thing you will get to know easily. Okay, suppose I want to see the web element, or HTML of this, mobile number or email address text field. Okay, so I just need to go here, click and right click. Once just do right click, so you will be having option this many. So I just have to click here, inspect. I'll do click on inspect. Once I'll click and inspect, so all the web elements will display which is related to this mobile number. Okay, so we have this input. So what is input is, we have already seen input is HTML tag. Okay, input is HTML tag. And second thing is what? So attribute. So what is attribute? So type is equal to text, class is equal to this, data type is equal to text, name is equal to this, so many things are there, right? So here we don't have text. Okay, we don't have text. If you see this div just above this input HTML tag div, so this is also pointing to the same text. If you'll see here, if I'll move my cursor to that thing, you see here highlighting, okay, text. So here they have given one division HTML tag, and class is equal to placeholder, and area hidden is equal to true, and text is what again? Mobile number or email address, right? So this is again in open angle braces and close angle braces. So whatever will be there inside HTML by using what? Open angle braces and close angle braces, that will be text in a web page. So you are able to see this is visible, mobile number or email address. But this is what? Placeholder. So you can give same, you can implement. Okay, so div class is equal to placeholder. If you will give placeholder, okay, and you are making one text next, okay, so this inside this text, these things will be highlighted. So this is one text, okay, so suppose this is also one text, so nothing is highlighting here, right, because placeholder is not there. But if you will see this one, so they have given what? Placeholder, so that in text field also they have inserted some text, so that user will be easily able to understand what is this, right? So we don't have to go in deep, we just have to see this is what? Input HTML tag, this is attributes, and this is text. Okay, as of now so far, right? So you got to know how to inspect these and see the web element associated with these particular web elements. What is the web elements or HTML page associated with this particular web element, right? So cool. So we will go and perform everything in our web page. Okay, so this is one web page. Okay, this is one web page. So here I have designed, username is equal to text, password is equal to text field, where I can enter something, okay, where I can enter something, right? Fine. And I have given one link. Okay, so if you'll click on this link, I have associated this link with Facebook. So I'll just let me inspect it, and I'll just show you. So if you'll see, so this is the link I have associated with this link text with this link. Okay, so if I'll click this link, so it will navigate to Facebook. See now it navigate to Facebook. So I'll just go back. Okay, so again my page will come. Okay, so this is how we can design HTML basic web page, and we can perform the action. Cool. So now we have to see, okay, so we have seen how to see the HTML web element. So just you have to do right click and inspect, that's all. So you can, same thing you can, as of now we have seen in Chrome, in same thing we can check in a Firefox as well. We can install Firebug third-party add-on, okay, and we can check the same. So no need to go. If you want, you can go for Firebug as well. You see it separately. If you want, just search on Firefox. If you're using Firefox, search Firebug and install the extension in the Firefox. This is actually add-on which will be available for Firefox. Okay, so where you can write of Xpath easily. Okay, but as of now I'll explain everything in the Chrome browser. Okay, cool. So now you understood the basic of HTML, how it will be designed, okay, how it will be look like, and what are the different attributes, okay, and what are the different things are there, like tag name, attributes, and text, right? Now we'll see what is locators. Okay, we'll see what is locators and how we can use the locators. Okay, so in Selenium, you know how to identify this, web element, how to identify this web element, how to identify this text field, how to identify this link. This all will be done by using locators. So basically locators are nothing but, you know, to identify the web element, to identify the elements present inside a web page. Okay, so in Selenium there are 8 locators. Okay, so we just go for technical term. What is this? So we have one class called by so by is a class which is what, abstract class. Okay, so all the abstracts interface, you have this concept you have already gone through. Okay, I hope so. If you have not gone, just go through once. So by is an abstract class. In that we have this method called, we have so many static method which is you know, 8 locators. So these 8 locators are there. So total in Selenium, how many locators I have? 8 locators. So if I'm talking about locators, mean these 8 way I can locate a web element in a web page. So if a web page is there, so these are the 8 different way I can locate. So now we'll see one by one how to, you know, identify a web element by using tag name, by ID, by name, class name, link text, and these things. Okay, then we'll see when to go for tag name, when to go for ID, when to go for name, then so on. We'll see, okay, which one will be, you know, efficient to use, and so on we'll see. Okay, so as of now, to identify anything, what we'll use locators. So without identifying any web element in the web page, suppose I want to click here, so first I need to identify this web element. So first Selenium have to identify this link, then only I can perform click, right? So how to identify these, all those things we are going to learn in locators. Locators is one of the, you know, very good topic in Selenium. Not very good, means it will be most frequent interview question as well. And if you don't know locators, you can't do anything in a web page, right? So this is the, you know, most valuable concept in Selenium, locators, right? So let's go and start one by one. Okay, so first we'll see, so locators, you got to know locators, you know, used to identify the web elements, okay, in a web page. Okay, so any web page is there, so locators, how many we have? So we have 8 locators. So these 8 by using these 8 locators, I can identify a web element in a web page. Okay, so for finding the elements in the web page, we have 2 methods. Okay, we have 2 methods which is present in search context interface. So basic hierarchy of Selenium I have explained. That time I have explained 2 methods present inside, you know, context search interface. That is what, find element and find elements. So as of now we'll discuss about find element separately. Anyhow, we'll discuss what is the difference between find element and find elements method. Okay, and where to use what. So as of now we'll see find element. So find elements method will return a web element, a single web element. Okay, always. So if multiple node will be there, so how it will perform. So different things we'll see by using, you know, by using real-time example. Okay, so let us start one by one with each tag name. Okay, each locators. Perfect.